Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue our revision in first chapter. Are you all ready? Very good. Did you all write and see what I taught you in the last class? Are you all practicing it daily at home? Good. Children, write the numbers and their number names daily so that you will remember very well. Okay, children? Superb. Can we go to today's class? Put today's date. Put today's date. Write max revision. REVISION revision. Yes, did you all write? Superb. Can we see what we are going to revise today? Yes, we are going to revise before number, after number, increasing order and decreasing order. Okay, so what are we going to revise today? Before number, after number, increasing order and decreasing order. So children, take your pencil and you have to write along with me. Okay? Yes. Write the heading before. See, I have written each one in one box, right? Like that you write BEFORE. Before, leave a box and write number NUMBER, number. Before number. Did you all write? Yes. Put A. Leave a box. Another box you leave and write 2. Leave 2 box and write 2. So children, what is before number? The number which come first, before. Yes, the previous number. Yes, what will come before 1? Can we say from 1 and see? 1, 2. So what comes before 2? 1. So write 1 in this box. Yes. If you don't know the before number, you start saying from 1. Okay. And you can see what comes the previous, what comes the before the number. Okay, children? Did you all understand? Can we do the next one? Yes. Put B. Leave 2 box. Write 6. Write 6. Did you all write? Yes. Can we see what comes before 6. From 1 we will count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what comes before 6? 5. So write 5. Yes. Did you all write it? Are you all writing along with me? Superb, children. Next, C. Question number C. Leave 2 boxes. Write 3. Did you all leave 2 boxes and write 3? Superb. What comes before 3? Can we say from 1 and see? Yes. 1, 2, 3. So what comes before 3? 2. So write 2. Yes? Are you all writing? Can we go to the next one? Yes. What is the next one number? D. Yes. Leave 2 boxes and write 8. Leave 2 boxes and write 8. Did you all write? What comes before 8? Can we count and see? From 1 we are going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what comes before 8? 7. Write 7 in this box. Yes? Can we go to the next one? Did you finish till D? Did you finish the D sum? Superb. Next is E. What comes before 4? Yes, before that, leave 2 boxes and write 4. And write 4. Did you all write? Superb. So children, what comes before 4? Can we count from 1 and see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what comes before 4? 3. Yes, write 3 in this box. So children, can we see from first? So tell me, what comes before 2? 1. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 3? 2. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 4? 3. So did you all finish it? Yes. Children, when you are writing before number, you can just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and keep. When you have question, I am asking you what comes before 6? You can see this and write 5. Yes, easy, no? Keep and write from 1 to 9. And then if I ask the before number, see the number previous to that and write it, which will be easy for you. Yes, did you all understand this? Superb. Can we go to the next one? What is the next one? Next one is after number. Are you all ready? Yes, write the heading after numbers. AFTER, after. AFTER, after numbers. NUMBERS, numbers. After number. Did you all write it? Yes. Can we write the after number? Yes. Are you all ready? Superb. So, what is the first question? Put A, leave one box, write 1. What comes after 1? 1, 2. Yes. So what comes after 1? 2. Write 2 in this box. Did you all write? What comes after 1? 2. Next one. B. Leave one box and write 3. Did you all write 3? What comes after 3? After 3? 4. Superb. Write 4. Did you all write? What comes after 3? 4. Superb, children. Next question, C. Leave a box. Put 7. What comes after 7? 8. Yes. 7, 8. Sorry. What comes after 7? 8. So, next one, D. Leave a box. Put 2. What comes after 2? 1, 2. 3. Yes, 3. So, did you all write it? Superb. Next one, E. Leave a box. Write 5. What will come after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will come after 5? 6. Superb. So first one, after 1, 2. After 3, 4. After 7, 8. After 2, 3. After 5, 6. Yes. Superb. Did you all understand? What is before number and after number? You have practiced it at home, right? Are you all able to write it now? Very good. So, like we did for before number, you can write from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when I ask you, what comes after 4? See this and say 5. What comes after 4? 5 comes after 4. Next, what comes after 2? See this. You can see and tell. After 2, 3. So, what comes after 2? 3. Yes. So, practice this at home. Okay, children? You should write. Okay? Write from 1 to 9 and say 1 after 2. 2 after 3. 3 after 4. 4 after 5. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 after 8. 8 after 9. Yes, this is easy, right? So when I ask you, you should close your eyes and say, what comes after 7? 8. Like that you have to say. Will you all say? Yes, superb. Can we learn what is next? Can we see? Yes. So next we are going to see increasing order. What is increasing order? From small number to big number. Okay? You will arrange from the small number to bigger number. Can we all do it? Before that, write the heading increasing. 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 Order. 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 Children, if you have space, you can write in single line. If you don't have, you can write like how I have written. Okay, children? Yes? Superb. So, what is the heading? Increasing order. From small to big. Okay? Ready? Can we see the first sum? What is the first one? Put A. Write 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. So, did you all write the question? So, what is there? 4, 1, 2, 3. Yes. So, what is the first number there? So, 1 is there? Yes, 1 is there. So, write 1 and strike out 1 here. Okay. So you won't get confused. Okay. What comes after 1? 2. 2 is there? Yes, right. 2. And strike out 2 here. What comes after 3? Is 3 is there in the question? Yes, right. 3. Strike it out. 4. After 3 what comes? 4. Is 4 there in the question? Yes, 4 is there. So write 4 and strike out. Yes, this is easy, no? When you strike out, you will know that you have written all the numbers. Okay? Can we do the next one like this? Are you all ready? Yes. We have to count from 1. Okay? Then only it will be easy. Okay, children? So, can we count from 1? Before that, write the question. Sorry, I forgot. Question number B. 2953. 2953. 2953. 2953. Yes, did you all write till this? Did you all write the question? Can we see the answer now? Yes. Can we start counting from 1? Yes. Is 1 is there in the question? No. So, no. Next one, 2. 2 is there? Yes. So, write 2 and strike out 2 here. After 2, 3. Is 3 there? Yes, here. Write 3 and strike it out. 4. Is 4 there? No. Next, 5. Is 5 there? Yes, it is here. So write 5 and strike it out. And then 6? No. 7? No. 8? No. 9? Yes, it is there. Yes, right, 9 and strike out 9. Yes, it is easy, no? Yes? Superb. Can we do the next one? Ready? Yes. Right. Question number C. Did you all write? Yes. Write the question. 8, 6, 3, 9. 8, 6, 3, 9. 8, 6, 3, 9. Did you all write the question? Yes. Can we count from 1 and see? Is 1 there? No. Is 2 there? No. Is 3 there? Yes. Where it is? It's here. So write 3 first and then strike out 3. Next. Is 4 there? No. 5? No. 6? Yes. So, write 6 and strike out 6. Next, 7 is there? No. 8 is there? Yes. Write 8 and strike out 8. And then 9. Is 9 there? Yes. So write 9 and strike out 9. Yes. Easy, no? It is easy to write, right? Yes. Can we do the next sum? Put D. Write the question. 3, 7, 2, 4. 3, 7, 2, 4. Yes? Did you all write? Very good. So what is the first number? 1. Is 1 there? No. Is 2 there? Yes, it is here. Right? 2 and strike out 2. Is 3 there? Yes, 3 is there in the question. Write 3 and strike out 3. Next, is 4 there in the question? Yes, we have 4. So write 4 and strike out 4. 5? No. 6? No. 7? Yes, we are having. It is here. Write 7 and strike out 7. So children, when you are writing in increasing order, we will say the after number and arrange, okay? It is easy now? Yes. Practice like this, okay children? Now take a new page and write the next heading, decreasing order. DECREASING, decreasing. Order, 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 decreasing order. Yes, can we do it? Are you all ready? Yes. How will you do this decreasing order? Increasing order is from small to big. So decreasing order is big to small. Okay? Decreasing order is big to small. Can we see? So we will start counting from 9 to 1. Okay? We will start counting from the last. From 9 we will count. Okay children? Are you all ready? Can we do it? Yes. So first one, put A. Write the question 3, 7, 5, 8. 3, 7, 5, 8. 3, 7, 5, 8. Did you all write it? Yes. Can we do the sum? So start from 9. Do we have 9 here? No. Before 9, what is it? 8. Do we have 8? Yes. Write 8. Strike it out here. Before 8, 7. Strike out 7 and write here. Before 7, 6. Do we have 6? No. Before 6, 5. Do we have 5? Yes. Write 5 and strike out. And before 5, 4. Do we have 4? No. Do we have 3? Yes. Put 3 and strike out 3. Yes. Easy. Can we do the next one? Yes. Put B. 5, 6, 9, 2. 5, 6, 9, 2. 5, 6, 9, 2. Yes. 9 is there? Yes, right. 9. Strike out 9. 8? No. 7? No. 6? Yes, right. 6. Strike out. 5? Yes. 4? Strike out 5. 4? No. 3? No. 2? Yes. And strike it out. Yes. Yes, did you all write it? Can we go to the next one? C. Put question number C. 4291. 4291. So what is the first number? 9. Yes, is 9 there? Yes, right. 9. Strike out 9. 8. Yes, 8 is there. No. Before 8, 7. It is there? No. 6. No. 5. No. 4. Yes, it is here. Right, 4. And strike out 4. Before 4, 3. Is 3 there? No. Before 3, 2. Is 2 there? Yes, it is here. Strike out 2. 1. Yes, it is here. Write 1 and strike out 1. Yes. Can we do the next one? D. 1684. 1684. 1684. What is the last number, children? 9. Is 9 there? No. 8 is there? Yes. Right, 8. And strike it out here. 7. Yes. 7 is not there. 7 is not there. Before 7, 6. Do we have 6? Yes, we have 6. Right? 6 and strike out 6. Before 6, 5. Do we have 5? Yes? No, we don't have. Next, before 5, 4. Do we have 4? Yes, it is here. 4. Right, 4. Strike out 4. Before 4, 3. Do we have? No. 2. Do we have? No. 1. Do we have? Yes. Where is it? It is here. Write 1 and strike it off. So, this is how we will write the decreasing order. Children, decreasing order is bit difficult. So, do it carefully. Okay? You see to this and write once. And you can try it by yourself also. Okay, children? Will you all do it? Super. So, we have revised the before number, after number, increasing order and decreasing order, right? Practice all the sums from first what I taught. Yes? Numbers, concept of zero and before number, after number, increasing order, decreasing order. Okay, put the correct sign, equal to, not equal to. Everything you practice and be safe at home. Okay, children, I will meet you in the next class. Till that, be safe, have healthy foods and enjoy your day. Thank you.